Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you an amazing remedy that you are going to use onion and banana to look really young, like very fast. Yeah, now the thing is that when you actually apply it or scrub it, when you wash it off, you're going to definitely see the improvement on your skin. Although the improvements might be just a little, but it is going to be visible. Now when you actually reapply it, the result is going to be so duper amazing. Okay guys, so let me take you right into this video. Okay, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. Let's go. One great ingredient that would help you make your skin look young again, and your skin is gonna be catching fire. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be very smooth. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be needing. We're gonna be needing onion. Okay, so other ingredient that I'm gonna be putting in here is going to make this ingredient feel superb. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be taking just a little of this onion, then we're going to be adding just a little water, and then we're going to blend it. Okay, so after blending this, we're going to be sieving this into a bowl. And this is it. So the next thing we're going to be needing now is some banana. Now banana is a great moisturizing agent for the skin, guys. It helps to glow the skin and it helps to soften the skin. So we're gonna be peeling just a little of this banana. I'm actually going to be using just one piece of the banana. Okay, so after blending the banana, now I'm gonna be turning it into the onion juice. Okay guys, so we're actually going to be needing to use some yogurt because yogurt contains some lactic acids and it helps so much for the skin. It boosts the skin complexion and it makes the skin glow. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting in some yogurt in here. Now still on the matter, we're gonna be needing avocado. Okay, just a little slice of avocado is going to help so much for this. Okay, sorry, we're gonna be needing papaya, not avocado. I'm so sorry guys, I used to mix these things up. This is papaya. It's actually called popo in our side. Okay, but this is papaya, carica papaya. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to be blending, cutting it into this blender. And then after that, we'll blend. And now turn that into the bowl, mix it all up, and this is, wow, this is so good. So we're gonna be needing just a little bit of milk, okay, to increase the lactic acid in this ingredient. And I'm going to be fetching just 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk into here. Then we would mix it up very well. And this is, wow. Okay, so for this guys, you can actually apply it on your face for at least 4 to 5 times in a week. And this is just everything your skin needs, okay, to glow, to look younger, to remove fine lines and wrinkles, and for ageness. Let's go apply it on our face. So my onion and my banana remedy is here, and I'm now ready to apply this. Oh my god, I'm actually loving this already. Now you're not going to be feeling any onion smell at all, because all of the other ingredients have actually covered the onion, but the flavor of it is actually the one that is going to go and bring out all of those white heads that is hiding somewhere below your skin. Yeah, it's gonna go bring it out. Okay, so after using this, I'm going to be brushing it with my brush, and I'm going to be dapping it inside here, and then I'll brush it, okay? Otherwise, if I don't dap it inside, the brush is going to just swallow all of the ingredients. Okay, so you're going to be needing a second application of this, okay? Because when you're waiting for some minutes for it to get into your skin, you need something on your skin, you know. Look at this place, it's all gone, so you need to apply it and wait for a little while. more especially on those places where you tend to experience those fine lines, wrinkles, and all of the age problems. So we apply it on those areas. Okay, so after which you've applied it, then you have to wait for at least few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how long you can wait. If you can't wait that long, then you can go ahead and wash it off. Yeah. Okay, so it's gonna help so freaking much. Like all of those stuff that is hiding somewhere in your skin, it's gonna uproot it out. Okay, so I'm gonna go wait a little while. I'll wash it and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's it. It feels really great on my skin. My skin radiates, it glows, it shines. I love it. So go give this a go, and I'm sure you're going to be loving it. Okay, so that's it. Do not forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I will see you again. Bye guys.